today I'm gonna be doing a voiceover of my sister doing a tutorial on her hair. So as you can see, she's smiling or whatever, think she's pretty or whatnot anyway. So she gonna grab her ponytail, she's gonna do a little dance with it, then she's gonna take off that rubber band because we ain't feeling that no more, but it's gonna be a little scratchy, you know what I'm feeling? It's scratching is gonna be a little good anyhow. So we gonna get the products and we gonna get the comb and we gonna part our hair. You feel me? We gonna part our hair. Now if the part don't look like how you imagine Moses when he separated the water, you ain't doing it correctly, trust me. Now we gonna roll it back, roll it back, roll it back. You feel me? Now you should have all your hair done. Now it should be cornrowed up, and then you should place the glue on your hairline on all 5 sides of your head, and then brush it back, brush it back. Now brush it back. I don't know what's the purpose of this, but just make sure you brush it back. You feel me? Anyway, she gonna put the 3 braids. She gonna braid the 3 braids into another braid. Then she gonna braid the other 3 braids into one big braid. And then she gonna get the pins and pin the big braid to the little braid. Now bomb. Now you see this? This is what I call a Robin mask. Cause I know why or what make you think you gotta put this over your face. That made no type sense. Anyway, she looked like one of the people on SpongeBob after they just finished robbing Mr. Krabs' parties. Anyway, so then you're gonna cut hole in the mask so you can make sure you can see where the Krabby parties is and steal them. And make sure you cut the holes in there too so you can hear when the 12 or the coppers come. Boom. Now you should be looking like a little elf. Anyway, you're gonna attach more glue to your hairline. I know this for either, so just do it. Because if you don't do it, then you ain't doing it properly, obviously. So you attach more glue to your hairline. And you do it on all your head, all over your head, or just the hairline. I know which one is which. Just do it on the hairline, because that's what look she doing. She look like she just doing it on the hairline. I guess we wait 10 minutes. She put her hands up like she's surrendering or something. But I guess you wait 10 minutes after that or whatnot. Then you start cutting. Cut, cut, cut. You cut just above the eyebrows, I believe. I know. No, I lie. You cut where the glue is. Where the glue is. You're right there. Cut this right there. Make sure you don't cut your hair off now, because if you cut your hair off, that's on you. I know doing all that. Anyway, make sure you have the ball cap on or whatever it's called. I think it's called a ball cap. Anyway, so it's how you should be looking. You should be looking like that alien off. What the show called? What the show called? Starstruck. That's what the show called. Starstruck. Then you're gonna put the weave on, or the wig. Then you see all of the extra. What you gonna do with that? You gonna cut that, cause that don't look good. I know who tell y'all that look good. That don't look good. So you gonna cut that off. sure you do that on both sides. And make sure this white thing coming over your head like you just recently get married. You know what I mean? You recently just get married. Now this important, cause I ain't gonna lie, most of y'all females just come out the house with y'all whatever that netting that's look, you can see it. So make sure blend with your skin, please, cause you ain't doing it right. Whoever putting on your wig ain't doing it right, man. So blend it into your forehead, or your big forehead. Oh, I know all y'all got big forehead, so blend it in with your forehead, please. Now we gonna grab the more glue and we gonna glue the cap on our head more, I believe, because I know what that white stuff is, so I ain't just continue. And if you just gonna keep doing that, keep applying that. And then you're gonna put the wig on the where the white part is. Then you're gonna put the glue on either side to ensure that the weave on your head. So when the girls try to fight you, when they pull the weave, your forehead could go first. Clip the bar. That's what you're gonna do. And you're gonna grab that block tape. Don't hurt yourself now. You're gonna grab that block tape or whatever that is, and you're gonna spank it on right there. And we're gonna wait 50 minutes. She do that 10 thing, I think 5 times. So we're gonna make 50 minutes now. And we gonna cut this now, because we don't want all this wedding, this extra wedding stuff to just be there. So we gonna continue to cut this. Wow. Cause like I say, people don't need to know it's a weave. You feel me? So what we gonna do? We gonna put this block on our head again. This block thing, and we gonna wait 80 minutes. Cause she do that about 80 times just now. Nah, it should look a little crispy now. Oh no, it ain't supposed to look a little crispy. So what we gonna add? We gonna add more of that glue. I know that glue supposed to do, but we gonna add more of that. Then you're gonna get this bandana, this block bandana where we must see them put on our head about 50 times in this one video. And you want to put it on your head again just like how you been doing the past 5 minutes. You must see wait 2 hours now because she do 2 fingers. So that's must see 2 hours. Then you gonna dab that little white thing and you gonna dab it to what your color is. So if you white and putting on wig, dab it to the white, whatever makeup y'all let's use. Don't be white and put on black people makeup because you're gonna look stupid. You're gonna look stupid, man. Anyway, that's how it's supposed to look. There you go. This has been the weave tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed. And then put your edges on, because you don't want to miss your edges. The edges is the most important thing. Coming out this house looking a little stupid. Make sure you like and subscribe.